Good morning, class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is language of chemistry. Children, as you all know, chemistry is everywhere. The air you breathe, food you digest, clothes you wear, textbook you read, cosmetics you use, etc. So chemistry is the study of large number of elements and compounds which can be represented by their symbol and formula. It also includes a large number of chemical reactions. So what is chemical reaction? A chemical reaction, it is the process by which a chemical change takes place. A change where a new substance is formed, and new substance will be formed only when the bonds between the elements are formed or broken. So children, how can you tell whether the chemical reaction has occurred or not? For example, if we take burning of candle, in few cases you may notice heat, light or gas is produced. In few other cases you may notice a change in color of the substance or odor is changed, and you may also notice a PPT is formed. So these are the few indications which shows chemical reaction has occurred. Now, chemical equation. Chemical equation, it is the short and the simple way to describe a chemical reaction using symbol and formulas instead of words. Here, a chemical reaction we have taken, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and sodium hydroxide, which gives sodium chloride, and water. Hydrochloric acid is written in the form of symbol HCl, and NaOH is written as sodium hydroxide is written as NaOH, and sodium chloride is written as NaCl, and water H2O. So now chemical equation have two major parts, that is reactant and the products. In here you can see a reaction Fe plus HCl, which gives FeCl2 and H2. In this reaction you can see an arrow which is dividing a chemical reaction into two parts, that is left hand side and right hand side. Fe and HCl, which are taking part in a chemical reaction, are called reactant, that is left hand side you can see Fe and HCl, and whereas FeCl2 and H2, which are formed as a result of reaction, are called products, that is on the right hand side you can see. Here you can see two new terms, that is coefficient and subscript. Coefficient is the number before the symbol or the formula of the substance, and subscript is the number of the atoms of the element found in the substance. Here you can see water, that is H2O. Here 2 is the subscript, which shows there are two hydrogen atoms in water molecule, and this H2, which is written in subscript form, that 2 cannot be changed. It will always remain the same because of its atomicity. And coefficient now C3, you can see in the reaction C3H8 plus 5O2 gives 3 CO2 and 4H2. Whatever the numbers which are written in red color, that is 5, 3 and 4, you can see these all are the coefficients which are used to balance the equation. Now symbols used in chemical equation. First symbol is sign of plus, which is used to separate one reactant or product from one another. Secondly, it is read as reacts with when used in the reactant, and when it is used in the product, it is read as and. Next symbol is sign of arrow. It is used to separate the reactant from the product. Secondly, it is read as yields or produces in the equation. Third, a symbol of S indicate that the substance is in the solid state, and L, it shows that the substance is in the liquid state, and G, which shows that the substance is in the gas state. AQ, it stands for aqueous. It indicates the substance is dissolved in water. Next and the last is, you can see the arrow on which the triangle symbol is here, and which indicates that there is a heat applied or required to make the reaction to proceed. Now in example you can see Na and H2O. These are written on the left hand side, so these are the reactants, and NaOH and H2, these are written on the right hand side, so these are the products. And in this coefficient 2 is the coefficient which is always written in front of the substance. Now, word equation, it is the equation in which reactants and products are represented by their names, that is iron and sulfur gives iron sulfide. Next, molecular equation. It is the equation in which reactants and the products are represented by their symbols, that is Fe plus S gives FeS. FeS is iron sulfide. Thank you, class.